My name is Mahin Alavi. I'm from Sharon, Massachusetts. Today I'm gonna show very simple Persian rice with saffron. Rice in Iran and for Persian people is very, very important. And cook a rice is very simple. This is 3 cups rice, Persian rice or basmati rice. I'm gonna add warm water and I'm gonna wash very nice and gentle, very, very gentle. After 1 time wash, I'm gonna drain it, and 2nd time and last time I'm gonna leave the water inside the rice, and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon salt and mix with the water and rice and leave the side for 1 hour. I wash the rice 3 times. Right now, rice is ready to drain it. Right now, water is boiling temperature. I'm gonna add the rice with the salt and water. I add the salt to the water because very, very important for rice comes longer, otherwise stick together. Salt is very, very important. 1 tablespoon salt for 6 cups of water, boiling water. And I'm gonna just stir 1 time, very nice and gentle for 6 and 8 minutes. No cover on the pans. It's very, very important. Rice is done. I'm gonna drain the rice right now. Make sure pan is really dry, then add the vegetable oil. Make sure heat is very, very low because it's important. Then I have soft pita bread or Syrian bread, whatever you have, just cover bottom of the pan. And then add the rice. We're gonna cover the rice right now. If you have cover like this is from Iran. It's very famous in Iran. If you don't have it, you can put the paper towel. But this one is much better because steam with rice is very, very important. Then I'm gonna leave it for 20 until 25 minutes. Right now, rice is ready. I take some cooked rice and I put in the other dish, and I add saffron and water and 1 tablespoon butter together, and I'm gonna add on the rice and mix together, and nice and beautiful color. This is rice and saffron. Right now, rice is ready to serve, and I'm gonna add the saffron. The bottom of the pan is just pita bread. I'm gonna put around the rice. And Iranian people call this one tahdik. It means the bottom of the pan. It's very, very famous, and everybody likes tahdik. Very simple. and very easy to make.